$6.3 million in 30 days selling one single product inside TikTok Shop. Let's go into my computer. All right, so we're here inside Viralytic.com. This is a TikTok Shop analytics tool. I'll leave a link for this tool in the description of this video. Here, you can see this one seller selling this coconut pulling oil has made more than $6.3 million in sales in only one single month. And he's selling a product that anybody can just go to Alibaba, buy for only $2.20. And this seller is selling it on TikTok Shop for more than $13 per piece. Now, how many units do you think this seller has sold since they launched this product inside TikTok Shop? Well, here, it even tells you in the listing inside TikTok. This seller has sold more than 1.5 million units since they actually listed this product inside TikTok Shop. Now, if you actually do the math, that's more than $19 million in sales selling one product inside TikTok Shop. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step how this seller is capitalizing on the opportunity of selling products through TikTok. TikTok Shop is changing the e-commerce game and is making people millionaires every day, just like that one seller. All right, guys, so let's get started. Now, first, let's talk about how this particular seller is being able to generate this many sales. What he is doing is he's utilizing organic TikTok videos to sell his products. Here, let me show you an example of one. As you can see, here's one of the creators that is actually an affiliate for his product. This creator has posted a video, and as you can see, there's a video. Now, if I actually see this video of them using this pulling oil, and I actually want to purchase this product because I can see that it's working really well for that particular creator, then all I need to do as a customer is simply click that link that you see right there on the video, and I can purchase directly from the TikTok video. Now, why is this a huge opportunity for you, the person that wants to sell products through TikTok? Because there's no limit onto how many different creators you can work with. Now, here inside Viralytic, it doesn't only show me how much money this particular seller is making. Here I can see how many actual relevant creators this particular seller is working with. So they're actually working with more than 1,700 different creators like that one that are helping sell their product through TikTok. Now, you may be asking what it's making all these people want to make videos of this particular seller's product. Well, because these creators are incentivized, because they're going to get a commission on every sale that they generate this particular seller. So you can start with one creator, then two, then three, right? So this particular seller did not start with 1,700 influencers right away. They actually started small and then started scaling from there. Right? Now, I'm going to show you guys how you too can capitalize on the power of TikTok Shop. First, you're going to need a TikTok Shop seller account. Now, right in the description of this video, there's a video that's going to show you step by step how to create one. It's actually quite easy, and it's completely free to have a TikTok Shop account. You do not need to have a business or anything like that. You can simply use your current TikTok account that you have, use that to create a TikTok Shop seller account. All right? Now, to create one, all you need to do is simply go to seller.tiktok.com, click right here on North America Seller, and go through the steps. It's actually quite easy. I highly recommend you to go and check out the video below that shows you how to create your TikTok seller account if you want to go ahead and create one. All right. Now, after you have your TikTok Shop seller account, it's time for you to find a product to sell on TikTok. Now, you can use this website called Viralytic.com to see which products are actually exploding in sales. Now, you may be asking, well, this person's already selling this pulling oil. Isn't that already too competitive? Well, no. All right? You can actually sell your own brand of pulling oil as well inside TikTok Shop. All right? Now, if you don't want to sell pulling oil, there's all these other different ideas of products that you can sell on TikTok. One thing I want to tell you, though, is you're not limited to only selling the products that you see in this site. This site is only here to help you see what's currently selling inside TikTok. Now, if you're passionate about a product and you think that you can create content that influences people to purchase a product, or that you can get creators to make videos of this product, right? So the mindset that you need to have with this business model is like, can I make videos, or can I get creators to make videos that incentivize people to purchase products? Now, you can use Viralytic.com to help you get ideas on what's currently selling. From what I'm currently seeing right now, the products that are making the most amount of money is anything related to beauty, right? Like leggings or for girls' hair. this seems to be the most popular at the moment. So what I would do then is you can simply go to Alibaba, see if you can find beauty products there, or you can go to Amazon bestsellers, see what's popular on Amazon that it's not yet on TikTok, and then you can also sell it. Or you can sell what's already popular inside TikTok Shop. You don't have to kill yourself trying to come up with an idea. Just simply come over here, see what's currently exploding in sales inside TikTok Shop, and you can sell it yourself too. And the reason why that is because TikTok Shop is not that competitive right now. This is a brand new e-commerce platform. This is like getting into Amazon 15 years ago, guys. So I would recommend, if you don't know what to sell, come to Viralytic.com. You can create a free account with them. They'll give you a free trial. You can come to Top Sales, and you can see what's currently crushing it inside TikTok. You can go find a supplier through Alibaba. I've actually created a video also showing you all of the different ways to find suppliers for your TikTok Shop products. I'll go ahead and leave a link for that video right here as well. But again, you can use Viralytic to help you see what's currently selling. What's also really cool about this tool is that you can actually click on the product itself, right? And you can even see which influencers are currently pushing this product and which influencer has made the most money for this particular seller. Right? As you can see, this particular influencer posting videos about this product has made more than $1.2 million in sales for that particular seller right there, right? So that's freaking huge, right? So maybe if you wanted to sell a product like it, right, you can contact that influencer and also have them start making videos of your product, right? Not only that, say you also wanted to sell this Guru Nanda pulling oil, right? You can go to relevant videos and you can see which videos have been the best performers for this particular brand, and then you can maybe make the videos yourself, or you can reach out to creators to make videos just like it, because these videos have been proven to work. Okay, guys, so now let's go step by step how we can also launch our own brand of coconut pulling oil inside TikTok Shop. First thing, we're going to go ahead and create our TikTok Shop account. Second, now that we know what we want to sell, we're going to go to Alibaba.com to help us find a supplier. All right, now a couple things. Whenever we're looking for suppliers inside Alibaba, I want to make sure, number one, I'm going to go to Alibaba. I want to click on manufacturers. Then I'm going to go ahead and search for the product, okay? Search. First, I only want to work with suppliers that offer what's called trade assurance. Trade assurance is a form of payment that Alibaba offers, okay? It's like payment insurance. Whenever you put an order in and you ship out your products, somehow don't receive them, Alibaba will give you 100% of your money back, all right? Second, once you find a supplier that does trade assurance, I only want to work with suppliers that have been with Alibaba for at least 3 years. For example, this supplier is perfect, that you can go ahead and contact them. And as you can see, they carry the exact same product that it's selling on TikTok Shop for only $2.90. Now, what am I going to do next? I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put in, usually I recommend putting in a test order of just 100 pieces. You're going to get those products manufactured, but you're going to brand those products under your own brand. Okay, very important. Okay, because as you guys can see here, this particular brand is selling it under their own brand. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and you're going to launch your own brand of coconut pulling oil inside TikTok Shop. All right, so you're going to go ahead, contact the supplier, and I usually recommend that you can even negotiate with them. You can ask them, okay, how much is this going to be for just 100 pieces of the product? I recommend you start with a low amount of inventory first, and then you can scale as your videos start to go viral. Okay, so we found the product, now we found a supplier. What is the next step? What you're going to do next is actually you're going to ship your products directly from your supplier's warehouse on Alibaba to what's called a third-party logistics warehouse right here in the United States. Yes, to start this business, you don't even need to have a warehouse or pack any products or ship any products yourself, all right? Because I'll tell you right now that this particular seller did not pack any of their products. They most likely work with a third-party logistics warehouse. I mean, imagine having to pack and ship 1.5 million units out. That will for sure drive you crazy. Now, what's a third-party logistics warehouse? It's a warehouse right here in the United States that connects with your TikTok Shop. Yes, it connects with your TikTok Shop seller account, right? So you can add the person as a user that works in the warehouse. They're going to see the orders come in from your TikTok Shop sales. They're going to pack the product and they're going to ship them to your customer. Now, you may be wondering, okay, where the hell can I find these warehouses? Well, super simple. Go to Google, type in 3PL warehouse for TikTok Shop, and here you can find a list of all the different warehouses that you can use. Okay? One thing I want to make sure that you guys ask the warehouses is, number one, ask them if they automatically connect with your TikTok Shop account, or if they have someone that you can add as a user on your TikTok Shop account so they can see the orders come in, they can see the address of your customers, they can pack the product and ship it to the customer, okay? Very important. Second, make sure that they're shipping out the products within 3 days of receiving the order, okay? Shipping out. It doesn't mean that the products have to arrive at your customer's doorstep within 3 days. It just means they have to be shipped out within 3 days. Okay, you actually have up to 11 days to deliver the product to your TikTok Shop customer. So make sure you mention that to your third-party logistics warehouse. Because if you take too long to ship out your products, TikTok Shop does not like this. Okay, so you found a third-party logistics warehouse. You're going to ask them for their address. What you're going to do is you're going to ship your products from your supplier's warehouse from Alibaba to your third-party logistics warehouse. Finally, you're going to be ready to sell. Next, you're going to go into your TikTok Shop seller account. You're going to hit products, and you're going to create a listing for your pulling oil. It's actually quite easy. You hit add new product inside your TikTok Shop account, and all you're going to do is simply add the images which you can get from your supplier. Make sure that those images have your brand on them, okay? So you can ask your supplier, hey, can you send me a picture of this product with my brand on it? And you can just put them on a white background, and that's enough. You don't have to get too fancy with the images for your listing. Next thing, all you need to do is simply come over here, type in, for example, coconut pulling oil as your product title, right? Coconut pulling oil. Boom. Once you put in the title, now what's really cool about this is that all you need to do is put in the title of your product, okay? And then hit generate, and it'll automatically generate a description for you using AI. That's how simple it is to create a listing with TikTok Shop. All right, so you have your listing created, you have inventory at the third-party logistics warehouse ready to be shipped out. So now you're ready to start generating sales. Now, how the hell do you start generating sales? Well, first, you can just get a sample of your product to your house, and then you can use the TikTok that you have connected to your TikTok Shop account, and then you can shoot videos, just like this one, of you using the product. You can post them on this TikTok. Now, what's really cool about TikTok is that TikTok is going to automatically push this video out to people who are most likely going to purchase your product. Right? That's all it is, right? Now, every time someone sees that video, they're going to purchase from your video, and you'll start seeing the sales start to come in, okay? Now, usually I recommend for everyone that's getting started, just shoot the videos yourself. It's actually super easy. Now, if you want to get inspiration to see what's working for your product, then all you need to do is come to Viralytic.com, right? Here, relevant videos, and here you can see exactly how much each video has generated in sales for that particular seller. For example, here, this one has made $345,000 in sales. This one single TikTok video. I just want to go ahead and view it to get some inspiration.
Urine on the coconut mint pulling oil. Receiving gum line in one area. So much pain. So much pain. I know I was there. I used it once.
Literally, super simple product. It's just a person talking about how good the product is. Here we go. Here's another one, right? This one has done $243,000 in sales. And let me show you. It's literally just a person using the product, right? And showing the results, right? So if you want to start getting your initial sales, you can literally just replicate this video yourself, post it, and you can link your product to the video, right? Super, super, super easy. Okay, now, how do you scale, right? Because you can start posting videos yourself, you start generating some sales, you start making some money. Now, you may be asking, okay, how the hell do I get other creators to want to make videos for my product? Well, here, let me show you. One way that you can do this is you can go to the relevant influencer side on this particular seller, and you can actually click on the influencers, and here it will even give you their TikTok profile, and you can start reaching out to them via DMs. Now, here sometimes these influencers will even have their email. There we go, right? So there's their email. You can even send them an email and say, hey, I'm launching this pulling oil. I would love for you to be a creator for it, right? And then you guys can negotiate a commission, right? Typical commission to creators is anywhere between 10 to 30% on each sale that they generate you. And obviously, this product has been proven to generate sales, so they're most likely going to say yes. All right? Now, one thing I do want to tell you guys is that you want to make sure that the products that you're selling on TikTok are, number one, not patented and not trademarked, okay? Make sure that you're doing your due diligence on that side so you're not getting in trouble, okay? Also, you cannot sell somebody else's brand without their permission, okay? So if you're going to sell this coconut pulling oil, you're going to have to launch your own brand, okay? You can maybe sell their own brand if you're buying wholesale from them, and that's a whole different video for this. But again, in order for you to sell the actual brand that's selling this, you need their permission. But here, you're going to go to the supplier and you're going to manufacture your own brand of that product, okay? Just like that. Okay, so here's how you would find the relevant influencers that generated the most sales for this particular seller. Now, another way that you can find influencers is you can go inside your TikTok shop account, okay? You're going to go to affiliate. You're going to hit affiliate right here. You can hit get started. And here, you can see all of the different creators, right? All the different creators. You can even go to find creators. You can filter by category. Okay, so for this particular product, it's right here in the beauty and personal care, and I will go ahead and click on nasal and oral care because it's for the mouth. And here you can see all of the different creators that have experience with selling this type of product. You can simply invite them to make videos of your product. Okay, so you can use Viralytic to do some spying on your competition, see which influencers they're using. You can try to reach out to them, or you can use the actual TikTok shop account to invite as many creators as possible. All right? And then just like that, right, you'll find 1, 2 creators, you send them a sample, they'll start making videos. And before you know it, you'll have 100 people making videos of your product, and that's how you scale. That is exactly the same strategy that this particular brand used to be making more than $6 million in sales a month with their product. Freaking huge. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're brand new to TikTok Shop, I have a completely free course. Yes, in the link of the description, there's a video, right? It's just another YouTube video. It's a complete course that shows you step by step how to create your TikTok Shop account, how to find the right products, other strategies that I use to help me find successful products on TikTok, how to find suppliers, how to find influencers, and all of that fun stuff. All right? So that is it for today. Make sure you go check out the video. And if you have any questions with TikTok Shop, leave it in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to get those answered. I'll go ahead. I'll also leave a link for this tool, Viralytic.com, and also with my discount code. Make sure you use that discount code so you can utilize this amazing tool. This tool not only shows you the best sellers, it shows you the influencers, right? And I see them always adding more and more and more features onto this tool. All right, so the tool is Viralytic. Go and check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I upload 2 videos a week talking about e-commerce, mostly based on TikTok Shop and Amazon. So go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next.